Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about most common order types in the market or in the trading or buying and selling. If you already know, then please skip this video. If you don't know, then please stay with me because sometimes these four order types it will confuse you. Now let's look at the buying point of view. Okay, buying point of view. And let's take first example, that is limit order. What limit order do is, suppose now currently market is at 80 rupees. Okay, 80 rupees. And if you wanted to buy at 100 rupees with the limit order, so if you place limit order at 100, then market will not buy at 100, market will buy 80. So with the limit order, what is the correct way to buy it? Suppose market is at 80, and if you place order at 60, like less than 80, then there is a high chances that instead of saying high chances, if you added limit order as 60, then if market drops to 60, then only it will buy, otherwise it will not buy. If you place order, if current market running price is 80, and if you buy limit order at more than 85 rupees, more than 80 rupees, like 85 or 90 rupees as a limit order, then it will buy at the current market price itself for the 80. Because in the buying, limit order will work if buy price is, if one limit buy price is less than current market price. Okay, I am repeating, limit buy price is less than current market price, then only limit order will work at the buying side. Now how it work at the selling side? Suppose market is at 80 rupees and you want to sell at 100 rupees, then it will work directly. So here limit order will work for the selling side, like limit sale is greater than current market price, then only it will work. If you place limit order and if you place limit sale order at 70 rupees, if market is 80 rupees, in the sale function it will directly sell at the current market, whatever the current market price is running. So that's the reason I'm not preferring the limit order to buy and sell in the at some given breakout levels or at the given levels. Now let's consider second example, that is stop loss limit. Second is stop loss limit order. What is the stop loss limit order? Suppose if current market price is 80 rupees. Now here let's consider buy first. Okay, buying side, and you want to buy at 100 rupees. Then what you need to do is, you need to place order between one range, like 100 to maximum you can buy, you are able to buy at 105. This is your expectation of buying side. More than 105 you don't want it to buy, and less than 100 you don't want it to buy. So if current market price is 80, and if market is in 100, if market move upside and market is in 100 and 105, then only it will buy. Sometimes what will happen, in the fluctuation market will directly jump from 98 to 1110 or let's say 106 for the case. So it will not buy because you only placed between, you are only interested between 100 and 105. So stop loss limit order will work like this one. We need to give one range. Okay, now third one is, let's take an selling here. Okay, sale example. How it work in case of sale stop loss limit order? You need to place, suppose current market price is 80 rupees, then you need to place sale stop loss limit order at 60 to 65 rupees. That means if market move down and your stop loss will hit if market is in between 60 to 65. But what is the disadvantage here is, if market directly jumps from 68 or 66 to 58 or 55, means it will not see this range. That means this stop loss limit order will not trigger, and unnecessarily you will face some more points, or you will face some extra losses. But this is a very rare case. Okay, Hope this stop loss limit buy and stop loss limit sell is clear for you. Third one is stop loss market order. What is stop loss market order? Suppose current market price is 80 rupees and you wanted to buy at 100 rupees. In the limit order, you need to place 100 to 105. But in the stop loss market, you only need to place 100 as a trigger price. What will happen is, suppose market see 100, then market will buy at 100. Suppose market will directly jump from 98 to 110, like 110. Then it is directly buy at 110 rupees in the stop loss market order, because whatever the greater than 100 rupees it will buy. Whatever the value greater than 100 rupees, if market jumps at that value, then automatically it will buy at that market price. If it jump to 100, it will buy at 100. If it jump to 105, it will buy at 105. If it jump 120, it will buy at 120. This is a very rare case that market will directly jump to 120. But most probably in the stop loss market, you will buy at 100 to 101 or 102 within 1 or 2 point as a buffer in the stop loss market order for the buying side. How it work in the selling side? In the selling stop loss market, suppose you bought at 80 rupees and you wanted to place stop loss as 50 rupees as a trigger price. Just place stop loss market and trigger price is 50 rupees. So whenever market will move down, if market see 50, it will trigger at 50 only. Okay. If market jumps directly from 55 or any between 55 to directly 45, then it will directly sell at 45. But it will, in the stop loss limit, what will happen? If your stop loss is 45 to 50 and market jumps to 44, it will not trigger and market will move downside to 30, then even then it will not trigger and you will unnecessarily face the losses. But in the stop loss market, in the sell order, if market directly jumps to 40, it will exit your trigger, it will exit your trade at the 40. Directly jumps to 30, it will exit at the 30. That's the reason choose stop loss market order while trading. But in the India, SEBI is nothing but the regulators of the stock market. They removed the stop loss market order. So what we need to do is use stop loss limit as order and put 40, instead of putting 45 to 50 stop loss limit, instead of putting 45 to 50, put 30 to 50, so that within wide range, if market move from 55 to directly to 40, then also you will exit on time. So maximum range is 30 to 50, something like that you can do based on your risk capacity, which I am currently doing. Okay, this is the stop loss market order. Now last order is only market. What is the market here? Suppose current market price is 100, and if you directly put market order type as a market, then you can directly buy at current market price. Or on the sell side, same thing. On the sell also, if your order type is market and if you click on sell, then whatever the current market price is going on, at that current market price, order will execute, either it is buy or either it is sell. Hope this whole video is clear for you. Okay, and one more thing, each broker will initiate or interfere the order types differently. For example, in some brokers there is only limit order. There is nothing like stop loss limit, stop loss market, only limit order or market order. What you need to do, you need to select stop loss limit or stop loss market with the limit and market orders. See, this is a confusion between different brokers, but this is the whatever I am explaining you, it's a core idea how to choose the order type for the buying side and how to choose order type for the selling side. Hope this video is clear for you as a beginner. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.